Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure hot desking means dynamic login and logout in Grandstream IP phone. So I have UCM and I'm using extension 901, and in the extension features option, we need to enable hot desking option, and for this we need to use alphanumeric password for the SIP registration. So for demonstration, I'm using just 1234, and similarly I'm using one more extension. So I'm using 902 and setting the SIP password 1234, and in the features option similarly we need to enable hot desking so the agent can log in and log out their extension from the IP phone. A single phone can be used for multiple agents. So after changing settings in the PBX, we need to configure public mode in the IP phone. So before that, we need to enable public mode in phone general setting, and here we have the option of enable public mode and enable and save and apply. Now in account, enable the account, and in the SIP server field give the IP address of UCM PBX. So as you can see the IP address, I am just entering the IP address here and just leaving it other fields as it is and save and apply. So as we have configured all the settings, now I'm going to show you from the phone interface. So we have login option on the phone. So just press this key and enter the extension number. Now I am entering extension, and now press the down key to enter the password. And as we have set password 1234, I'm entering here, press OK, and now we are able to log in with 901. Now if agent want to log out, he can just press logout button and press OK. Similarly, now next agent can log in with his extension. I'm using 902 here and entering the password and press the OK to log in. So we have login 901 and 902 from the single phone. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and like this video.